When it comes time to growing or starting an insurance agency, you really have two options to choose from, the captive route or the independent route. In this video, I will explain the difference, the pros and the cons, so you can make an informed choice when it comes to building your insurance agency. Welcome back to Advancing Insurance Professionals channel, where we teach insurance professionals how to skyrocket their growth and success in the new workplace. I'm Violet Rainwater. Let's make it rain in your agency. Captive versus independent. This seems to be the hottest topic when you are starting or looking to grow your agency. Which is truly the best route, and what is the difference? Well, in the next few minutes, I will be sharing with you the good, the bad, and the really, really bad. So make sure you stick around till the end. I personally began my career working in the captive channel, working with Allstate agents as a financial service professional. My job was to help these captive agents hit their life insurance goals so they could hit their bonuses. It's a great place to get my feet wet and learn about life insurance and the industry as a whole. But eventually, I did make the jump over to the independent channel because there were so many more benefits. Now that I work with the ICA Agency Alliance team and have truly experienced both sides, I want to share with you why I, along with so many insurance professionals, prefer the independent channel. First of all, compensation. Money, 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 money. Show me the money, friends. On an independent channel, you're going to make significantly more than in a captive organization. On a captive program, 8 to 10% is standard renewal commissions, where on an independent channel, you're looking at 12 to 16% for renewal commissions. In addition, many independent organizations, such as yours truly, also offer a guaranteed quarterly bonus, which adds to the bottom line. For agents who have made the jump from captive to independent, this is one of the greatest benefits and oh so gratifying. The second benefit of working on an independent channel, where it's very different than the captive space, is access to market. The greatest challenge for captive agents is that they really only have one product that they can offer their customers. First of all, not every customer is going to be a perfect fit for that one product. And second of all, when your rates go up, and they usually do, it makes it that much harder to retain the customers that you work so hard to get. Your clients may like you, they may even love you, but with increases of 8 to 12% or more year after year, at some point we must ask ourselves, what is truly in the best interest for our customer? To pay more or get the best possible deal so then they can also budget in a life insurance policy or an umbrella policy. The best way to build a relationship that lasts is having access to markets so you can always be looking out for the best interest for your customer. Now, before I dive into the third benefit of having an independent agency versus a captive agency, I wanted to share with you one of my favorite success stories from one of our own superstars here at ICA Agency Alliance. This rock star joined our organization just about 4 years ago after she spent 7 years at Farmers. It took her 7 years to build a $2 million book of business, and it took her 18 months to build the same value book with us here at ICA Agency Alliance. This was the best decision she ever made because today she is her own business owner, building her own book of business and doing it while she's balancing motherhood and having a thriving business and being able to build her business her way. Now, this brings me to my final point and the one that I saved for last. As a captive agent, you are not truly building your own business. Many captive agents sign contracts where it specifically states that they are not allowed to take that customer if they go to another organization. As an independent agent, you are truly building your own business with 100% ownership of your database and the renewal income. Build it your way with your branding, your systems, your way of doing business. Now, here is the icing on the cake. When you go to sell your book of business, as an independent agent, you are not just getting your annual revenue like you are in a captive agency. It is based on a multiplier, which gives you 2 to 3, sometimes more times what you would get selling your book as a captive agent. Now, there are some agents that are just starting out that prefer the captive route because of the support you get. Essentially, when you're buying an Allstate or a Farmers, you're buying a business in a box. That is why at ICA Agency Alliance, we offer the education, the marketing, the lead gen, and all the support you need to build your own empire. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please drop us a line below and let us know where you're watching from. If you found value in this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never have to miss another tip, tool, or resource on how to skyrocket your agency's growth and success. I'm Violet Rainwater, and I'll see you next time.